Hello everyone, and welcome to our how-to training videos. Today, I'm going to present you how to connect your online store to your active Stripe account. After completing this training, your online store will be connected to Stripe, which means that card payments made by your clients will be processed by Stripe and deposited into your bank account. As a reminder, Stripe will take care of the following. Stripe will verify if the card information entered by your clients is correct. Then, Stripe will transfer funds from each client's account to your bank account. Finally, Stripe will retain some transaction fees, which will allow Stripe and also OmtrekSoft to provide you with the highest quality service, maintaining the entire platform, and continuing to provide you with all the support that you need, so you can reliably use our store's e-commerce and delivery platform. It is assumed that you have already an active Stripe account and created your online store using our Shop mobile application. You need to have the following: your active Stripe account username and password. Also, your store account username and password. Finally, your store code, made of 6 letters, that you received during your new store sign-up process. Upon launching the Shop app on your iPad, if you are in the green screen with the title, New Store Sign Up, then enter your store code in the lower section of that screen. Here I am entering the store code, ABTINE, and then tap on the Go to Store User Login screen button. You are now moved to the Store User Login screen with a blue background. If you are already logged into your store, then you need to tap on the Log Out button and confirm you want to log out. Now, tap on Go to Store Admin Login. That's the button with red characters in it. You are now in the admin section of the Shop app with a red background. Enter your store login information, username and password, which is the same as what you created during sign up. Then tap on the Login button. You are now in the admin page of the Shop app. A message may pop up saying, "No data present." Press plus to add the new department. Tap OK to dismiss that message. Now tap on Settings. In the next store profile screen, tap on Connect with Stripe account. A new screen gets displayed, with a Connect with Stripe button in the middle. Tap on that button. Shortly after, a new screen will be displayed, with a Stripe title in the top left corner, meaning that the screen is now handled by Stripe. Make sure you don't unintentionally tap on the Back to Main Screen button, as it will bring you back with a message saying that the Stripe connection failed. But don't worry, you can start all over again. There is also a window closing icon in the top right corner, with a red X. If you tap on that X button, it will bring you back one step, with a failed connection message, but again, don't worry, you can continue after tapping OK to dismiss the message. Now, the important action, which will allow you to connect to your Stripe account, is to tap on the small sign in blue characters, right below the red X. Upon tapping on Sign In, you will see the Stripe login screen. Enter your Stripe username. Followed by your Stripe password. Then, tap on Sign into your account. If your two-step verification with Stripe is enabled, which is the default, you will see a new screen. Enter the verification code on your iPad. Now, please check your mobile phone. You should have received a text message from Stripe with a 6-digit verification code, all numbers. Enter those 6 numbers in the verification space that is provided on your iPad. You may need to tap on the first space to bring up the keyboard. Important: please do not confuse the message sender's number, which is on the top of the text message, with the verification code, which is at the bottom. Once you have entered the code on your iPad, tap on Sign into your account. Shortly after, you will be in your Stripe account. Now, tap on Connect My Stripe account. Shortly, you will see a message, Stripe connection successful. Please close this message to proceed. Tap on the red X button that is on the top right corner of the screen. And then, on the displayed page, tap on the Proceed button. At any time, you can log into your Stripe account using a browser like Internet Explorer, Safari, Chrome, or Firefox, and then, under the Business Settings, click on Authorized Apps, and then you will see that Omtrek Corporation is an authorized app, which is only used by your platform for the reception of our application fee during your client's card transactions. Please be aware that Omtrek Corporation cannot log into your Stripe account, which is protected by your own username, password, and two-step verification. Please understand that, if you click on the Revoke Access button, your clients will no more be able to use their card to make payments to your online store. Should you by mistake revoke access, you would need to connect with Stripe account again, as explained earlier. Congratulations! Now your store is ready to receive card payments from your clients. Your money matters. If you have any concerns or questions, please email us at contact@OmtrekSoft.com or call us at 1-855-558-0808. This ends our training video, how to connect your online store to your active Stripe account. And thanks for watching.